What's happening, everybody? Welcome to another video. My intro at the Ebass, I had a faulty mic. I recorded a whole bit of the morning with no audio. So great news for this 2023 season. Myself and Zaid are going to be doing the Ebass tournament this season. We decided to get back into tournaments and have a bit of fun. So we decided to go with the Ebass trail. I'm also going to be doing some videos for the Ebass trail. We've had a word and we are going to work together this year to help each other out and get Ebass more out there and show you guys what the Ebass tournament's all about. So I am happy to be working with Johan and the rest of his crew, so I'll keep an eye out for that. Anywho, hope you enjoy this video. Ebass leg 1 rest of winter. Enjoy it. Yes. Water, guys, and yeah, first leg rest of winter Ebass. Here we go. Not the ones we want. My first fish of the morning. My first fish.
What are you fishing?
The weightless fluke on the frogging setup.
Yeah.
Twitch, pause a bird. Because it doesn't float. There we go.
Need a net.
I don't know.
Don't lose him enough.
Go towards it with the polymotor.
That's a keeper. Well done, boy. You chowed that thing properly. That's a nice one. Well done, boy. Well done. Well done. Just in it. Well done, man.
Just throwing some para, some ITTIES secret frog in and around here, but nothing. And I decided to throw a weightless fluke. I had it on some light line, 12 pound fluoro, and I threw it around these little pockets and I was getting hit. So I decided to go with the bigger and weightless on my frogging setup, and I'm throwing this around these pockets and it seems to be working. See if we can pick up on size.
want 30 centimeters. Ruler length. I love culling all our freaking ruler length fish.
Do you really want to
No.
keep this? But that was proper like yes, but you gotta get them out of here quickly.
Yep.
Too much grass came off it. God, it's a monster. No, I'm joking. Imagine. Again, it's probably just under freaking 30 centimeters.
The thing is with that 10 centimeter, I'll ask Calvin if it's got another ruler.
Like that also, you don't think, eh? I mean,
No, but I mean, you know, because when you put the mouth there and then you put the tail all the way in.
I don't think so. Oh man.
Oh! That's you, Nuno. Double up.
You got a big one. Mine's small,
I don't know.
but it's on the... Is he still on, man?
I'm still on, yes.
Oh, I was still on until over there. Oh, flip, a small one though. And yours feels also stuck or
I'm
big?
gonna take us there. That feels okay, but I hope it's not off.
I think you're taking us there already.
That would seem like a decent fish. Flap, man. He's still on, but he's small.
Ah, there he is.
How the hell did that happen? The hook probably went all the way through.
The one I missed.
You think this is... Nuns, this must be 30, dude.
I don't know, but maybe put it in if it feels right.
Check there.
Look, double up.
Yeah?
Yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe it reaches it. I'm thinking of a ruler now. I don't know. So yeah, put it. Yeah. Oh. Again. Maybe it's picking up now. That was 2 for 2, eh?
Yep.
Cast for cast that, eh?
Let's move us forward a bit there.
Why can't they be keepers? Well, at least the frog bus picked up.
Yeah, of course.
But it's not the Catch it. right at the boat.
Definitely. We need to measure those other two that we put in there, maybe see if they are super. Pictures.
Now out here. Yeah guys, the camera went off as I don't know, maybe you might have caught the strike and then the camera went off. Zaid's reckoning 1.6. I don't know, my eyes are burning from the sunscreen. It is so hot, but yeah, that was a nice keeper. So I think I got about a 1, what's that other first one, maybe a 1.1, 1.2, hey? Probably around there. And then this one about a 1.6.
Yeah, we'll weigh them, we'll see, we're not sure.
We'll check, but so far not too bad. We need a few more big ones, that's for sure.
Ah, much better, well done.
Yes! That's a better. No. That's better.
Well done, boy.
Is that 5 in here now?